Rezdy Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Rezdy Booking Platform. If you're considering Rezdy, you'll find all the essential details here. Links to the platform and related resources are in the description below. Rezdy is a powerful booking and distribution platform designed specifically for tour operators, activity providers, and experienced businesses. Its primary goal is to simplify your booking process, maximize your distribution channels, and ultimately grow your revenue. The platform is highly user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that allows businesses to manage bookings, inventory, and schedules seamlessly. One standout feature of Rezdy is its channel management system, which connects you with a vast network of online travel agencies, OTAs, resellers, and affiliates. With real-time availability updates, double bookings become a thing of the past. This is a game-changer for businesses looking to expand their reach without worrying about manual updates. Another notable feature is Rezdy's automation tools. You can automate customer communications such as booking confirmations, reminders, and post-activity follow-ups. This not only saves time but also ensures a professional and consistent customer experience. Plus, Rezdy supports payment processing, allowing you to accept multiple currencies and payment methods, which is especially beneficial for businesses with international clients. The platform also provides robust reporting and analytics tools, giving you insights into booking trends, sales performance, and customer demographics. These insights help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your offerings and marketing strategies. Rezdy is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses in the tourism and activities sector, but it scales well for larger operations too. Whether you offer walking tours, adventure sports, or unique local experiences, Rezdy's flexibility allows you to tailor the platform to your specific needs. In summary, Rezdy combines ease of use with advanced features to streamline operations and drive growth for experience-based businesses. If you're ready to simplify your booking process and boost your visibility, check out the links in the description to explore Rezdy further.